Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something deeply transformative, how to create a powerful letting go ritual for the new year. If you're entering this year wanting a clean slate, emotionally, mentally, or spiritually, this ritual is going to help you gently release anything that's been weighing you down so you can step into the next chapter feeling lighter, clearer, and ready to manifest the life you actually want. So grab a notebook, maybe light a candle, and let's walk through this together. What is a letting go ritual? It is a symbolic, intentional practice that helps you release old energy, whether that's limiting beliefs, past relationships, guilt, fear, or simply the heaviness of the year that you're wanting to leave behind. Why do rituals work? Your mind responds to symbolism. Fire, water, breath, writing, all activate different parts of your subconscious. Rituals interrupt your patterns. They create a physical moment where you say, this ends here. They give you emotional closure. And closure isn't something given, it's created. This isn't about forcing you to be okay. It's about gently making space for the next version of you. Before the ritual, create an intentional environment. This signals to your nervous system that something meaningful is happening. You can light a candle, play calming music, use sage, incense, or essential oils, bring a journal, place some crystals that resonate with you, or dim the lights. Or all of the above. You can pick and choose or do any of the or all of them. Okay. Then you set the intention. I am creating space for release, clarity, and peace. Your environment doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to feel safe and sacred to you. So now I need you to identify what you're letting go of. This is where honesty is your superpower. Grab your journal and ask yourself these questions. Write everything down with no filter. Then add this powerful line at the bottom. I release this with love, gratitude, and peace. Don't rush this. Let whatever comes up, comes up. Now, the release ritual. You can choose one of these methods or multiple if you want a deeper reset. Personally, I'd stick with one if you're first trying this out. Okay, so we have the fire ritual. Fire symbolizes transformation. So write the things that you are releasing on a piece of paper, fold it, carefully burn it in a fireproof bowl or sink, and as it burns, say, this no longer holds power over me. The water release one is perfect if you want a more gentler energy. You write what you're releasing on a piece of paper, rip it into tiny pieces, place them in a bowl of water, and then as you watch the ink fade, it is symbolizing the energy dissolving, and say, I allow this to flow away from me. Then you have the option of breath release. This is beautiful for emotional or energetic release. Sit comfortably, visualize the thing that you are releasing, take a deep inhale and exhale forcefully, imagining it leaving your body. And repeat this 3 or 5 times. Use whichever of these methods aligned with you. Trust your intuition. Feel what comes naturally. Nature doesn't like empty space, so after releasing, you need to fill yourself with what you do want. So ask yourself the following. Write down empowering replacements like I step into self-love and confidence. I choose peace over pressure. I trust myself fully. I am ready to receive abundance. Let this be the moment you claim your new identity. To close, place your hand on your heart and say, I am free, I am aligned, and I am open to new beginnings. If you've lit a candle, blow out your candle. Take one final deep breath and feel that lightness settling into your body. Your letting go ritual is complete. So, your action steps. Complete your letting go ritual this week. Comment down below, I release and I rise. Journal, what am I choosing to welcome into my life this year? Create a new affirmation that anchors in your fresh energy. And you might want to repeat this ritual quarterly just to stay aligned throughout the year. If this video supported you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more rituals. Until next time, bye guys!